Stop carrying gear that weighs you down. In 2026, everyday carry is all about maximum utility and minimal bulk. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a survivalist, your EDC setup needs an upgrade. Today, we're counting down 20 game-changing EDC items that are redefining the industry, from the world's slimmest titanium multitools to the latest smart wallets and EDC flashlights that pack 1,000 lumens into your pocket. If you want to optimize your daily carry and stay prepared for anything, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the best EDC gear 2026 has to offer. Transform the way you interact with devices with a single wearable. The Tapwithus Tap Strap 2 wearable keyboard is a necessity for anyone seeking a versatile, portable, and efficient control solution. This mouse and air gesture controller all-in-one plug-and-play wearable keyboard, mouse, and air gesture supercontroller lets you type, navigate, and use gestures across VR, AR, XR, smartphones, tablets, PCs, smart TVs, and projectors. Fully customizable, ambidextrous, and compatible with any language, it is used to text, edit, control games, activate hotkeys, and streamline productivity anywhere. Ease tension and enjoy professional-level relief without leaving home. The Snailax neck massager is a necessity for anyone dealing with neck, shoulder, or back discomfort. This pain relief deep tissue neck massage with heat and cordless design targets sore muscles with shiatsu-style deep kneading. Lightweight, rechargeable, and portable, it is used for neck, back, and shoulder pain relief at home, in the office, or while traveling. Ideal as a gift for mum, dad, or loved ones, it combines soothing warmth with cordless convenience. Print anytime, anywhere without the mess of ink or bulky machines. The ByteUp Inkless thermal printer is a necessity for professionals, students, and travelers who need reliable printing on the go. This wireless, Bluetooth travel printer for iOS, Android, laptop supports 8.5 by 11 inches. US letter paper for office, home, car, school, projects, and tattoo transfer. Compact, lightweight, and ink-free, it is used to print documents, receipts, creative projects, and stencils with crisp, smudge-free results, long battery life, and seamless mobile or computer connectivity. Keep your clothes wrinkle-free effortlessly, at home or on the go. The Nesugar Steamer is a necessity for anyone who values quick, portable garment care. This clothes steamer, a fashionable portable handheld garment steamer, weighs just 0.8 pounds, heats up in 15 seconds, and provides 10 minutes of continuous steam. Compact and travel-friendly, it is used to smooth wrinkles on shirts, coats, wool, and delicates, leaving garments dry and polished. With versatile steaming angles, a long cord, and a travel bag, it's perfect for home and travel. Work efficiently anywhere without carrying a bulky keyboard. The ProtoArc Backlit Foldable keyboard is a necessity for travelers, students, and professionals who need full functionality on the go. This folding portable Bluetooth keyboard for travel features a true full-size external wireless keyboard with backlight, a trifold design, a 105-key QWERTY layout, and adjustable brightness. Compact and rechargeable, it is used with iPads, tablets, smartphones, laptops, and PCs, offering comfortable typing, multi-device connectivity, and easy portability for work, study, or travel. Keep every step fresh and odor-free with ease. The NonScents shoe deodorizer is a necessity for anyone dealing with sweaty or smelly footwear. This odor eliminator, air freshener, smell absorber, and scent remover for shoes, gym bags, soccer cleats, closets, and pet areas is reusable and comes in a 1-pack or 2-count. With rapid odor neutralization, long-lasting freshness, and a convenient, non-messy design, it is used to keep shoes, sports gear, bags, lockers, and pet spaces smelling clean and fresh for months. Keep your drinks perfectly warm without constant reheating. The KitchekShop coffee mug. Warmer is a necessity for coffee, tea, and hot chocolate lovers at home or at the office. With the fastest heating and highest temperature, 4 temp settings, a 1 to 12 hour timer, and auto shutoff, this smart electric beverage warmer ensures safety and convenience. Its ample heating panel fits most cups, and the included coaster adds style. It is used to maintain ideal beverage temperature during work, reading, or relaxation, making every sip enjoyable. Transfer files quickly and effortlessly with one compact device. The Ugreen SD card reader is a necessity for photographers, videographers, and anyone handling multiple memory cards. This USB 3.0 card hub adapter reads up to 4 cards simultaneously, including CF, CFI, TF, SDXC, SDHC, SD, MMC, micro SDXC, micro SD, micro SDHC, and MS, with speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. Compact and plug and play, it is used to read and write large files, support 2 terabyte cards, and streamline workflow on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS devices anywhere. Keep your jewelry and accessories sparkling effortlessly. The Adiding jewelry cleaning machine is a necessity for anyone who wants professional level cleaning at home. This 1000 milliliter sonic retainer ring cleaner uses 45 kHz ultrasonic waves, 5 timer modes, and a degassing function to remove dirt from glasses, earrings, necklaces, dentures, coins, and pacifiers. Its 360-degree deep cleaning reaches even hard-to-access spots. Compact and stylish with an LED display, it is used to thoroughly clean multiple items at once, making maintenance quick, convenient, and effective. Transform your space with effortless aromatherapy. The Pmsusoow Waterless Diffuser is a necessity for anyone who wants pure essential oil benefits without water or heat. This mini battery scent diffuser for room, home, and car uses cold diffusion nanomist technology to preserve 100% essential oil potency. With 9 color LED lights, a portable design, and up to 48-hour battery life, it is used to freshen the air, promote relaxation, and enhance sleep, work, or yoga, all while being eco-friendly and safe for babies and pets. Keep your screen spotless without worry. The Swanky Cables Screen Cleaner Wipes are a necessity for anyone who wants their electronics clean and clear. These electronic wipes for screens, safe for computers, phones, TVs, monitors, and lenses, effectively remove dust, fingerprints, smudges, and more. Gentle, non-abrasive, and alcohol and ammonia-free, they clean without streaks or residue. Conveniently pre-moistened and portable, these tech wipes and microfiber cloths are used to maintain tablets, laptops, smartphones, TVs, and even glasses, providing an all-in-one solution for pristine screens anytime, anywhere. Stay warm instantly with Ocoopa dual-sided hand warmers, a must-have for anyone braving cold weather. These rechargeable 2-pack hand warmers provide full palm warmth in just 3 seconds, perfect for camping, hunting, fishing, hiking, or everyday winter use. Safe with UL-certified batteries and a durable ABS shell, they last up to 8 hours per charge. Pocket-friendly, ergonomic, and stylish, they feature 3 heat levels, an LED display, and a silicone lanyard. Ideal as stocking stuffers, white elephant gifts, or winter essentials for men, women, teens, and kids. Maximize your packing and storage with ultimate ease. The Zonama vacuum storage bags are a necessity for anyone who wants to save space and keep belongings organized at home or on the go. This 16-pack set with a wireless rechargeable air pump compresses clothing, blankets, and bedding in just 10 to 15 seconds. With durable, tear-resistant vacuum seal bags, smart dual-view panels, and airtight double seals, it is used to protect items, separate clean from dirty, and simplify travel, luggage, backpacks, and home storage for clothing and seasonal essentials. Simplify your charging routine with ultimate convenience. The TechThrill charging station is a necessity for anyone who owns multiple Apple devices and wants fast, safe, and organized power. This Apple MagSafe travel charger for iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods features a 3-in-1 wireless design with foldable aluminum construction and a 360-degree rotating stand. With 18-watt PD fast charging, an anti-slip base, and built-in safety protections, it is used to charge multiple devices simultaneously, reduce cable clutter, and stay fully powered at home, at your desk, or on the go. Capture crystal clear audio with professional ease. The Neewer Lavalier lapel microphone system is a necessity for anyone who wants reliable, high-quality sound for video, streaming, or interviews. This wireless lavalier microphone system includes 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and a charging case, supporting 48 kHz, 16-bit uncompressed audio with noise cancelling, and 4 GB of storage for up to 9 hours of recording. With stable 656 feet transmission, one-click mute noise cancel, and compatibility with iPhone, iPad, Android cameras, and PC, it is used to record, stream, or create content with exceptional clarity. Illuminate your music or reading with precision and style. The Javik Stand Light's clip-on lamp is a necessity for anyone who needs clear, adjustable lighting for piano, guitar, books, or sheet music. This rechargeable Type-C touch-folding piano light features a foldable T-head, a 360-degree adjustable gooseneck, 51 bright LEDs, and 12 lighting modes across 4 color temperatures with 3 brightness levels. Its portable clip-on design keeps it secure without scratching surfaces. It is used to light music stands, choral folders, desks, or bedside reading areas efficiently and safely. Power up and keep your hands busy at the same time. The ED Gadget's Torque Charger Fidget is a necessity for anyone tired of single-purpose chargers that get lost or forgotten. This 30-watt GAN EDC charger combines fast charging for phones, tablets, earbuds, and handheld consoles with a built-in fidget spinner for tactile stress relief. Compact and portable, it's designed for everyday carry. It is used to charge devices efficiently while giving your hands a satisfying, calming activity during breaks, waiting, or downtime. Keep your camera gear spotless with ease. The K&F Camera Lens Cleaning Kit is a necessity for anyone who wants clear, dust-free shots and well-maintained equipment. This 10-in-1 kit for DSLR cameras, lenses, filters, and cell phones includes an advanced silicone air blower, short and long nozzles, cleaning cloths, a cleaning pen, and 15 milliliters of lens cleaner. It is used to clean sensors, lenses, screens, body surfaces, and hard-to-reach gaps, removing fingerprints, dust, and oil without damaging delicate coatings, ensuring your camera and devices perform at their best. Rev up your style with precision and flair. The Solon car wheel watches are a necessity for anyone who wants a unique blend of automotive design and reliable timekeeping. This racing-style dial car rim watch for men features a skeleton analog display, Japanese quartz movement, and luminous hands for easy reading in the dark. With a rotating wheel hub, blue-coated glass, stainless steel mesh strap, 3 ATM water resistance, and a sporty 42.5mm case, it is used to track time accurately while making a bold statement for daily wear, sports, or as a luxury gift. Make kitchen tasks effortless with the ProtoArc Automatic Can Opener. This hands-free, cordless can opener is a necessity for anyone who wants quick, safe, and smooth can opening without the hassle of sharp edges. With USB rechargeable power, it opens up to 60 cans on a single charge, and features a self-aligning design that cuts lids smoothly, while the built-in lid lifter makes removal easy. Compact and easy to store, it is used for opening cans safely at home, during picnics, camping, or any cooking adventure. That wraps up our list of the top 20 EDC essentials for this year. Which of these items is joining your 2026 EDC loadout? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest EDC gear reviews and minimalist carry tips. Don't forget to check the links in the description for all the products mentioned today. Stay prepared, carry smart, and we'll see you in the next one.